Okay, we started data pipelines. We started. It is nothing but old style, means it is Azure Data Factory. We did successfully two activities we completed. Those are Lakehouse, file to Lakehouse delta table, how to create it. So we have inside the Lakehouse, we have the file. From there to inside the Lakehouse only we created the delta table we created. And second pipeline we created using the source as a SQL database, and we created the delta table we created inside the Lakehouse. As part of that, you understand how to get the SQL database data and everything. We got it right. So you connected to the SQL database, and we are trying to push that one to the delta table. We are trying to push it. Okay, now today what we are trying to do is load multiple sheets of Excel. I'm going to give one Excel. Okay, I'm going to give one Excel. In that Excel, you may have multiple sheets. For example, let us see here in my cloud data engineering, the lab data folder, we have here a file that is called as load multiple sheets of excel.xls. So this one also I'll keep it in the Fabric repository. I'll keep it so that it is easy to access to people. It is earlier it was there in this series. So as we are preparing now Fabric, we are preparing it dedicatedly. Let me go for the Fabric repository. I'll switch that one to here. So let us go and try to add that file here, upload this file. So whatever we have the previous, this one I'm trying to add it here. Okay, this one you can download and you can use it wherever you want it down the line. What we have inside this, nothing much actually. So you also able to prepare it very quickly. You can prepare it. I created three sheets. And in each sheet I written one employee name and salary I written. That's it. So you can see we have here in the bottom how many sheets we have. In the bottom we can notice we have here three sheets are available. One is California, then Texas, then Seattle. So in the each sheet you can observe in the California I said here RAM 3 and 3000, the Texas RAM 1000, the Seattle RAM 2 2000. In each sheet I written one record I written. Now what I want is this file first need to be uploaded into your OneLake. Okay, this file you need to upload into OneLake. I did it already, so it's not required to upload in my case, because let us see here, if you go to repository, here, this is our Lakehouse. In the Lakehouse, we have the raw data. In the raw data, this file already I uploaded. As an Excel file, you cannot do the preview. Remaining all files, you can do the preview. Okay, db.csv is available, you can do the preview. But Excel file, you cannot do the preview. Okay, right. We have inside this one now, three sheets are available. We are going to use those three sheets. Now, that is a step one. All you have to do is go to here and try to upload it. Okay, so upload file into the Lakehouse raw data folder. So this is the place where you're trying to upload it, raw data folder. Okay, now I want to create a pipeline. I want to create it. Let us go and try to create the pipeline. So go to your master workspace. Then we are trying to create a pipeline. Click on the new item. Then we have the data pipeline. Click on the data pipeline. So we need to provide here some name for this one. So we are trying to get here get, or I can say this is a pipeline to load all sheets one after another from Excel workbook. That's what we are trying to do it. We are trying to create one pipeline to load all sheets one after another from Excel. Now go and try to introduce here into the work area. So here I'm trying to click in the empty section. So I want here something called as for loop. I want it. Something called as for loop. I want it because I need to loop it, right? So I need here for loop. Okay, go and try to introduce here for loop. Try to introduce it. Go to the activities tab. Then we have here three dots. Then you can go on. You can get here for each. You can able to get it. This is equal to the for loop whatever available. Same it is. You can get from here, or even it is available as a quick accessibility purpose. They provide here. You can take from here. Whichever you are choosing, it's well and good. Now we are trying to take here for each we taken. This is our one of the learning what we are trying to do it today. So we are trying to use here for each we are trying to use it. Copy is already we know it. Now for each is the one what we are trying to know about it. Now in the for each, I need to go and I have to pass here sequential and I need to tell to the system how many things I want to read it. Okay, and also clearly can observe here it's saying as this property should be parameterized it. So I want to create here some parameter for this and do it. So in order to create the some parameter, okay, click in the empty space or directly can go from here also you can do it. Let me go directly from here. Click here, there is an option called as add dynamic content. If you click on add dynamic content, then it is asking tell me what parameter. But as of now, you know, we don't have any parameters, we don't have it. We don't have any parameters. But however, you see here right side, we have some plus symbol is available. Using that plus symbol, we can create the new parameters. I'm trying to create here a parameter. The parameter name is equal to P sheet names. So Excel sheet names we are trying to provide here. That's what here Excel sheet names we are giving. Let us give the Excel sheet names. Then it's a array of values I want to pass it, not the one value, array of values. So go and try to provide here array. Then the values also I am trying to pass upfront. So we know we have three values are available. So first value is CA. Then second value is we have here, so Texas. And third value we have here, Seattle. And make sure the spellings capital small also should be same. You have to put it. Otherwise, it is going to fail it. So CA is C and A both are capital. The Texas T is capital. The Seattle, I think S is only capital. But confirm it. Confirm it, once you pass it, right? Yeah, you can notice CA, Texas, Seattle. Okay, even if you do always copy paste, that will be good. Okay, so that you will not have any mistakes and all. Now we created here a array. The array contains here how many values? The array contains here how many values? Three values. So go and try to save it. This one we are passing it. Then click on OK. Wow, beautiful. Now this for loop knows this parameter. The parameter is at the level of pipeline level. Automatically it's going to be created. The Excel sheet names parameter. Okay. So it's a pipeline level parameter, but it is not reflecting here. It's taking some time. Click on validate. Okay. Anyhow, so that will reflect here. It may taking some. Yeah, now it's reflected. It's taking some time maybe. Okay. Now you can notice under the parameters, one parameter is created. This is array type, and these are the default values. You can click in the empty space. From here also you can create here a number of parameters. Whatever you want, you can create it. Okay, or if you whenever you required, there is a plus symbol is available. Through that plus symbol also you can create it. If you create from here also, you're going to get that value, that one over there only. Suppose if I go and try to see this is a parameter what it's created. Both are same, both are same. If you use that plus symbol or if you click in the empty space and from here you are clicking, both are one and same. Now overall, we create a parameter, and in that parameter, three values we passed it, and we are telling to the system for loop how many times it has to loop I am telling, how many times it has to loop I am telling, how many values are available in this array that many times. So how many times it loop? Three times it is going to loop it because three values are available. Okay, now inside this one, I'm trying to go to the activities, what activities I have to run it. So I can go and I can click on here, edit. Then I am inside the pipeline, inside the for loop I am. There I am introducing a copy data activity I am introducing. This is the copy data activity. Okay, now go and try to configure your source and destinations you have to configure. My source is equal to your Lakehouse. That is already we created our Lakehouse connection. This is our Lakehouse. And I am trying to access your file. The file path we are trying to pass here. Click on the browse, then select your raw data. Select your raw data. It's coming. Yeah. Select your raw data, then select your file also. That file is a multiple sheets file. Okay, this is Excel file, what you're trying to put it. Inform to the system this type of Excel is equal to binary file or Excel file. What type of file it is? Excel. So we are trying to select here Excel. And inside this Excel, we have here headers are available or not available. Headers are available. Go and try to select here Excel settings. There is option called as first row as header. Enable that one. Click on OK. Now we are good. We inform to the system I am accessing the Excel. Then also I given here settings as first row as header is equal to OK. I given that one. Then you have to access this one based on the name or based on the index. Name means automatically it is going to show you CA, Seattle, Texas like that. Index means it is going to show you 0 means CA, 1 means Texas, 2 means Seattle. Like in Python also, index number starts from where? In Python, we already, yeah, 0, right? Similarly, here also 0 it is starting. We are going with the name only because we configured our parameters. Our parameters, we configured names only we configured. So I want to go with the names only now. Okay, good. Let us go and try to do that one. I'm going here, then I'm trying to configure here source. So based on the name only I want to go. But name, you want to go and you want to fix this as a CA. If you fix as a CA, always it loads what? CA data. If I go and try to fix as a Seattle, always it loads what? Seattle. But I want to load now dynamically. I want to load it. Go and try to select here, add dynamic content. Then we are getting here one more thing here. There I'm passing here for loop, whatever for loop is available. For loop current item. Current item means first time it is CA. In the first iteration it is CA. In the first iteration, whenever it is doing, the value will be for this value. What you're going to get it? CA. Second time it is looping, the value of this one is going to be what? Texas. Yeah, something like that. It will be going on. How many times it is looping? This item value will be changes, and we are going to get here proper data. We are going to get it. Okay. So I'm trying to pass here current item. Current item means in the runtime it is going to change it, CA, Texas, something like that. Click on OK. Wow, beautiful. Now we configure the source. Let's go and try to configure the destination. Destination is equal to, okay, wherever you want, you can put it. If you want to put in the Lakehouse or yesterday you create even SQL database also you created. If you want to pass there, you can do it. Time being, I'm selecting where Lakehouse only I'm selecting. I want to create the Delta table. I want to create it. Okay, select the tables. I want to create one new table. I want to create it for this. Let's say I'm saying as EMP and today's date 2025. Then I'm passing here 04, then 12, I'm passing it. Okay, go and try to click on here, create. So new table, it is going to create it. Okay, and we are going to load into this one. And expand here advanced, it is going in the mode of append mode, it is going. Okay, first it load the CA, then that data will be appended to the Texas data will be appended to the next Seattle, something like that. So append mode, we are trying to do it here. Okay, I think we are good enough. Now let's try to run it and understand how it is going on. Click on validate. Now you can notice pipeline validation output, nothing is a problem. Go and try to click on a run, save and run. Now you can notice this will be running and we are going to see, yeah, in the runtime it is asking parameters are what it is asking. If you want to change parameters now, you can change it. If you're not changing, if you click on OK, these parameters will be picked in the runtime and it is going to be executed. I am trying to click on OK. Now you can notice, this will be running in progress, and you can observe here for each loop is running, and you can observe output of for loop is what. If you see the output of for loop, you can observe, sorry, not output, input, observe it. Input of for loop, you observe how many times it is going to loop it. How many times it is going to loop it?
Three times.
3 times. That's what we, because we given the 3 values we given, so it's going for the 3 times looping it is going. Then, so 3 times the looping, so first time copy data activity is running. So it's saying as succeeded. Let us observe what is the input it is taken. Let's go and try to click on the input here, then maximize it, and what sheet it is picked here first time. First time, what sheet it is picked here, that is important. CA sheet it is picked. Let's try to observe the second time copy data activity is going on, it's completed, and what sheet it is picked in the second time, we need to observe it. If you observe the second time, what sheet it is picked here? Texas, right? Third time also it is in the queue. Let us go and try to observe in the input and observe here what sheet is picked here. What sheet is picked? Seattle. So that means first time loop it is picked the CA, second time loop it is picked the Texas, third time loop it is picked the Seattle, like that. Now make sure this is everything is complete. Once it is completed, go back to our Lakehouse and observe the table. All 3 records are available or not, observe it. I am going to the now, make sure it is succeeded. It's succeeded. Then go to your Lakehouse. Then go to your tables, refresh it here once, and observe with today's date we have any thing is available here or not. EMP 2025-04-12. I think it's still in the undefined mode. Okay, then you can notice 2025-04-12. This is what the table. If you click on this table, you can notice now we are going to see 3 rows. We are going to see it. Yeah, now we can notice here RAM 1, RAM 2, RAM 3, like that. 3 things are available. We're able to observe it. Okay, it's cool. Now we understand how to load the data. We understand. This is for simple one we did it. We created the for loop we created. Their copy data activity is available. We did it. And navigation steps also provided here. These are what the values, what we passed it, and how to configure the source, target, those things. And interestingly, uh, this is new thing which I got. I'm trying to prepare it in our material, which is not there in my previous ADF material. If you take it, which this feature I did not implement it. In the ADF materials, I given here screenshots I provided, everything I provided. Okay, screenshots and everything I provide here, but not really the JSON code feature. Okay, let's see what is the JSON code. What is the JSON code is, suppose you can copy like this simply. We have here copy, we can do something like this copy, we can do it. Once you copied, let's say you go here and try to create here one new pipeline, we are trying to create it. We are trying to create here one new pipeline, we are trying to create it. So let's say if you go to the view mode, here we have the edit JSON code option is available. Select it, then try to delete whatever available and put whatever we prepared over there and put it here. Then simply click on OK. One more thing I missed it here. Your pipeline name should be whatever pipeline name you given, that you have to keep it. Okay. So better what I will do is now I cannot type this much of story, right? Okay, let me try it. Can I type it? What is the name? Pipe to load all sheets one after another from Excel. So something like this, we typed it, then click on it, pipe to load all sheets one after another. Excel rename is not allowed from JSON. I did not rename it. Okay, let me go and try to copy this. Okay, now go and try to edit the JSON code this as it is first, then go to this code. Apart from that one, rest of all code I am copying it. Now, apart from that one, remaining all code I copied, then I'm trying to click on OK. Object ID. Last modified object ID is this. Okay, so many things you have to modify. Let me see what template it is creating so that I can prepare it. Anytime I can prepare it. I'm going here first. Let's try to create here one new pipeline, just new pipeline, new item, data pipeline. Let's try to create here. Click on create. Now immediately go for the edit JSON and see what it is creating default. So go for here, view, then edit JSON code. Now this is what it is creating. Apart from this one, remaining all things you can modify. Okay, so we have here properties. Okay, last modified object ID. Okay, then these properties you have to go and you have to leave it. Remaining all things you can put it over there. So from here to here. So in the properties, whatever we have it till here to here, you can put it. So I should not disturb the name. I should not disturb the object ID. And also last modified object ID is available. Don't disturb, and published time also I did not disturb it. Then I am trying to click on OK. Wow, beautiful. We're able to see now what you're seeing. The code, whatever we created over there, that we're able to see it here, right? So like that, JSON code also I am giving here. Some reason you want to replicate it, then don't disturb the name and object ID in the bottom last modified object ID. These things you don't modify it. Remaining all things you can copy and paste it. That JSON you copy and paste it, automatically are going to get the all the pipeline activities are going to get it. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is how even we do the simple migration also. Suppose tomorrow you want to do the deployment from one environment to another environment, you have to do it. Okay, so at that moment, of course, we have the proper version controlling tool is available. We're going to use it, but it is a one or two changes are there, very small changes. Okay, we don't have the GitHub and all like this. Also, can able to new code whatever available you can change in the latest one. But anyhow, these are advanced users. Okay, because JSON we are touching, right? We are touching the JSON means all brackets. Those all things are very important. If you miss something, again tracking back is very tough. Okay, before doing any changes, take the backup and try to do it. Okay, right. Now I think we are good enough with this chapter that is called as pipeline to load multiple sheets of Excel. Now next one I have here, one more. Let us go for the dynamically load it. What is the situation is now? Today I said to you people, we have only 3 sheets are available here. I clearly said to you people, we have here how many sheets? 3 sheets. Suppose I don't know how many sheets I am going to get it from the upstream system. I don't know. Someone upstream people are available. Upstream people, upstream people me is going to deliver every day these files to you. Okay, upstream people also maybe not aware of it. Simply they will be configuring to their APIs and they're trying to pull it. Okay, and they're maybe doing the page bursting, page bursting based on the state name. So today I have business only in these three states we have it. That is the reason three sheets they provided. Tomorrow my business is expanded and we got here fourth sheet also we got it. Fourth sheet also we got it. Let's say NC we got it. Then immediately that fourth sheet also will come. Even upstream people also not aware of that one because they written the code very excellently. They written new state is came, new sheet will be created. Like that they created the data. You also need to create the your pipeline to handle multiple sheets. How many? Two are available, two only will be loading, three are available, three will be loading, something like that. Suppose our business is not good, we want to decommission it. In one of the state, we are trying to remove the business. At that moment, we'll get only two, right? So any changes happen to your business, we should be in a position to handle it. That's where we go for here dynamically. When you don't know the sheet names and count in advance, this pipeline dynamically detects the number of sheets and loads all of them. Loads all of them. How we can do that one? Okay. Let us try to do that one. Go back to your pipeline. Okay. Time being, this one I'm going to use later. Time being, select it and trying to go to the general tab and deactivate it. Time being, I'm deactivating it. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this box later. Time being, what I want to do is I want to go for yesterday we did one learning. That learning is get metadata activity. What is the purpose of get metadata? We learned yesterday one thing that is called as get metadata. What is the purpose of this one? To know about our source, right? Yes or no? We are going to know about our source. What is our source? What is the name of the source? What is the size of the file? Okay, and what is the last modified time? Like that, we'll be educated about our source, know about our source, know about our source. That's what the get my data. Is it the source is available or not? Okay, if available, then only exist flag will be coming as a true. If not available, exist flag will be coming as a
False.
tell me false. Okay. Now I want to go and I want to configure Excel today. I want to know about my Excel. Go and try to give the name here. Okay, we want to get metadata, metadata of Excel. Okay, now go and try to select your settings, then select your Excel whatever available inside the lake. So this is our lake. We are going to the files, browse it, then select your raw data, then select your raw data, then select your raw data, then we're selecting our file. Okay. Now go and try to educate the system. I given input as a Excel and it is a file also have the header. Then we are trying to pass here, for example, CA, I am passing it. Sorry, I'm trying to select here. CA, I'm selecting. After I selected the CA, if I click on the preview data, we are going to get the data corresponding to the CA, we are going to get it. Okay, we got the CA data, we are getting it. And also field list, I'm trying to provide here the field list is equal to number of columns count I want it inside that one, whatever available. If I go and try to run it now, for example, if I go and try to run it now, go to the home, then try to run it now, we are going to get here number of columns. How many columns are available inside the CA? Inside the CA, how many columns we have it?
Two.
Two.
Two columns.
So we are going to get here two as a outcome, we are going to get it. This will run or will not run?
It will not run.
It will not run because I disabled this one, so it will not run. So you can notice here it is inactive. This only it is ran. Now if you see the output of this one, you can notice number of columns count is equal to 2. Wow, beautiful. Now what I will do is I'll go and try to provide here. I'll go and try to provide here index, and I'm trying to select here one. Okay, one I am selecting. Then I am going for here structure. I am going. Then I am trying to run it. One means, it is going to give the Texas data or CA data or Seattle data. What it is going to give? One.
Text.
One means what? Yeah. One means we are going to get here Texas data. We are going to get it. Shortly, you are going to receive the data. Now you can observe here output. If you observe the output, okay, in that we have here name and salary. Only two columns are available. The structure we are trying to get it. E-name and salary, only two columns are there. Wow, good. Now, what happens if I try to provide here forcefully? I am giving a wrong value. I am giving 999, 999, 999 I given. Do I have the 999 index in my Excel? Do I
No.
have 999 index in my Excel? No, it's not available. Then if I try to run it, it's going to throw the error. It's going to throw the error. And observe that error message is making sense to you or not. Observe the error message that making sense to you or not. Okay, now this is going for here get my data Excel. It's showing as in progress. Now it's failed here. Observe the error message whatever available. Click on this error message. Now try to observe this error message whatever error code is 2011 and I'm sorry, user configuration issue. Then you can notice here sheet index 999 is out of range 0 dot dot 2. What is the meaning of this one? Are you able to understand some details about this one?
Yes, sir.
What?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
what is the possible values is between 0 to 2, you give something. Between 0 to 2 means what? 0, comma, 1, comma, 2. These are the valid list. This is what? Valid list. Valid indexes. Valid indexes. But you given here something called as 999 you given. This 999 is wrong index. This 999 is wrong index. I know that is wrong index, but my goal is what? Actually I don't know max index number. But after observing this error message, you are able to understand what is the max index number.
Yes, sir. 2.
Yeah. So we are able to understand our max index number is 2. That's what we got the information. Wow. So this error message will capture and will process that one to capture the 2. This error message will capture and further will break down this one. To break down this one, here I want to introduce something called as this bracket. Based on this bracket, if I try to split this one, how many times this bracket is available? How many times this bracket is available? 2 times, right? Based on that bracket, I can go and I can split it. There is a function called as split function is available. There is a function called as split function is available. I am going to split this error message, whatever available. This error message will be coming as input in the runtime. Then I want to process this one based on this bracket. I want to process it. This is going to give the output as a list as a output. It is going to give it. It is going to give the output as what? List is the output we are going to get it. In that list, we are going to see here. What we are going to see is sheet. First one sheet. Then what is that? Index. That's it. That's what it is. First bracket. Bracket is occurred over there. Till that we are going to get one item. Second item we are going to get here 999. Second item we are going to get here 999. Then what? Bracket. Then is then out of range. Then this bracket. This bracket is came, so it will be stop over there. Third one. Third one will be coming as a 0, 2 dots, 1, 1, 2 dots, then 2, and close the bracket. This will be coming as a third one. We are going to get it. So in our list, how many items are there? In my list now, how many items are there? This is the one item, 0 index corresponding item that is, and this is the another item. This is the 1 index corresponding item. Then this is the another item. This corresponding to 2. I want to capture only second one, I want to capture it. So to do this process, we are writing here one formula we are writing, that is what this formula. So what we are trying to tell it, go and try to get me error message. We are trying to split this one based on what? This bracket. After we got the result, we are picking first item or second item or third item. Third item. 2 means 0, 1, 2. Index starts from the 0. We are giving the 2 means third item it is going to pick it. We are going to get the values. Let's try to observe it, how we can do that one, right? Let me copy this as it is, or you can prepare this whatever way you want it. Now, I am trying to go here. Let's try to introduce here one set variable. Set variable. Activities, there is option called as set variable. Try to introduce it. And I want to run this one whenever this is failed. I want to run it because error message only I want to capture, right? Here you can notice there is a on success. The next is what? On success. Next is what? On fail. On fail one, we are going to get here red color. We are going to get it. You can notice here. Okay, on success is green color. We are going to get it. Now I connected. On failure, you connected. And go and try to change these names and all accordingly. Okay, we are trying to get here get error message. We are trying to get, there is a purpose, get error message. Okay, now go to the settings here. In the settings, we need to create here one new variable. We need to create it. We are trying to create the variable, and the variable name also I am giving here in the beginning. We are giving here v get error message I am giving. This object name is get error message. Inside this object, whatever variable I am creating is just for my identification. V get error message I am giving. Then I am going to get here. I am going to get here one string. Click on here confirm. What formula you are going to write? The formula is whatever we have here. Get metadata Excel that output. But I'm not interested about the output. I'm interested about what? Error. Then in that error also I'm interested about what? Message. In that also I want to go and I want to learn about split function. Let's try to observe here. We have three dots. In the three dots we have functions. In the functions we have one of the function called as split function is available. You can notice this is the split function. This is the split function. So if we click here, sorry, if we go and try to observe here the split function, split the string using a separator. For example, the following expression returns ABC. You can observe the, let me click on this expressions and functions, right? Click on this expressions and functions. We got here expression functions help document. In this help document, click on here functions. Then here search for the split because we want to learn more information about the split. Click on the split. Now you can observe how many parameters are required for this one. How many
2.
parameters is function required? 2. First parameter is test and it's saying as required is s and string you have to pass it. Second parameter delimiter required is equal to s. This is string. And also best part of this is example is the best part. Now we pass the here ABC and we are trying to separate this one or split this one based on what? Underscore. That's what we got a list A comma B comma C we got it. If really you understand this one, I'll write something here. Let me know what is the output of this one. I'm trying to write here, suppose split. I'm trying to write here split. Then I'm trying to write here, uh, let us say, okay, Maila, then Ram, then Reddy, I written. Maila, Ram, Reddy, I written. I want to separate here, separator character is equal to R I am giving. Can you please tell me what is outcome? We are going to get it. What is the outcome we are going to get it? Myla.
Myla
Yeah,
and
we are going to get
Reddy.
as a, that is the first one, right? Then we are the separator, whatever we have here, that is coming into the result. No, that means R also will not come into our result. So next we are going to get here, what we are going to get it? AM, we are going to get it. Then next we have here, next we have here, uh, RAM, after that R is available, so we are going to get here EDDY, we are going to get it. So we are trying to separate based on the some character, we are trying to separate it. Okay, now as you understand this one, let's go and try to implement it, right? So let's try to implement it. We are trying to take a error message. Before this, we are writing a split function we are passing. We are passing this one to the split function. This is the first parameter, and second parameter we want to pass as a this bracket, we are passing it. Whenever this bracket is available, I want to split it. Once we got the result, I want to capture the second index one I want to capture, so I'm passing it to, I'm passing. Click on OK, and no hurry, go and try to observe output how it is coming. Then we'll try to cascade. Next things are going to cascade it. Let's try to click on run, click on save and run, observe what is coming here, what is coming here. That my point? Okay. So now I clicked on run, right? What is saying? Please select a worksheet. Why I need to select a worksheet? Click on run, save and run. Okay, what happened? Oh, I did not give an triple nine. I given previously, right? Somewhat it is changed. Okay. So let's try to save this. Now try to run it. Now try to run it. Click on OK. Now this will be failing surely. That error message we are trying to process here to split that one and get only the last part of this one we want to get it. Okay, that's what the purpose what we are trying to do here. So you can observe this get metadata one is going to fail. Okay, get metadata one is failed. And you can observe here what is the error message, it is failed. The error message is same, previously observed it, the same error message. Now go and try to observe what is the value of this variable. If you observe the value of the variable, you can notice what you got the value of the variable 0 dot dot 2 close bracket. That's what we got it, right? But from here you have the common sense. That's the reason max index number you are able to understand it. But I'm interested only max index number is 2, right? The 2 only I'm interested. How we can process further? How we can process further? To process further, introduce one more set variable, or you can copy and paste this one. Right click, there is option called as copy, and you can paste it. Right click, then you can paste here. So that the same object we are going to get one more time, we are going to get it. Now try to connect these two things we connected. Now we'll change all the body parts of this one. The name I am changing as get max index number. Max, sorry, not index number exactly. We are also processing up to range of the values. So get list of index numbers, something like this I given here. Now we go and try to settings. In the settings, this variable name also I'm trying to create here one new variable name. This is the variable name as we get list of index numbers I'm giving. Now this is the array I'm trying to prepare it. As I know that one, that's the reason I given directly array. Click on confirm. This formula is important here. This formula I have to change it. This formula is something important. I need to change it. There is a box also available. If you want to maximize this one or minimize this one, you can do it. Okay, I'm trying to do sufficient max. I'm doing it. Okay, and even it is not showing up. Okay, you can increase the width also. Somehow it is not showing. So in this box, I want to write the formula. What is the formula I'm trying to write is this is the formula. Try to understand what this formula is doing. Then we'll go for further. You tell me. Here we have first one thing that is called as, I'll start from the internal part, length. Length of your error message, if you go and try to calculate, what you're going to get it, tell me in the runtime. In the runtime, what is the length of my error message? What we have in last part now? 0 dot dot 2 bracket. This is what we have last, right? What is the length of this one?
5.
5. We are going to get the 5. We are going to get it. So now what we are trying to do is here, we are saying as subtract we are doing, we are trying to do here subtract we are doing it, subtract we are trying to do it, and 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 means how much you are going to get it? 1. 5 minus 4 means what you are going to get it? 1. Right. Now what I want to do next is, let us say I have here something called as here substring, we are trying to calculate it. We are trying to calculate here substring. Substring is something you need to learn about it first. Before going for this one, let us go and try to learn the substring function. Again, you visit the same document. Here you search for control F substring. How it is going to work, we'll try to observe it. Substring, this is the help document. Tell me how many parameters it passing here. How many parameters are passing?
3.
Test, start index, then length. 3 parameters are passing. Now you can notice test is a mandatory one, and where you have to start it, where you have to end it, and start is a positive number equal or greater than 0 that you want to use it. And you can notice in the bottom hello world 6 comma 5. What it is writing here. So this is starts from the 0 index. So H is corresponding to 0. In that prospect, E is 1, L is 2, 3, then 4. Till here we got 4. And space is available, that is 5. Then W is available, that is 6. Now W is what? 6. From 6th letter onwards, how many characters we are reading? 5. So 6th letter, including 6th letter, we are reading here 5. That's what we got here, world, we got it. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
If really you understand this one, I am trying to write here something for you. Let me know you will able to answer this one or not. I am writing here substring, then I'm passing here 0 dot dot 2, close the bracket, then this is the string, comma, what I want is here 0 1 2 3. Okay, 3 starts from the 3 I am trying to provide here, starts from the 3. Okay, starts from the 3 and get me one character, because 5 minus 4 is 1 only, right? Previously what we are doing here, total length is 5, then minus 4 we are doing it. 5 minus 4 is 1 only, right? Are you getting my point? So I'm giving directly 1.
Yes, sir.
This is going to give what is the result?
2, sir.
This is
2.
2. That's what exactly this is going to do here. That's what exactly this is going to do here. So till here, now we are going to get here, if we go and try to observe this total part, till here the output is we are going to get is 2, we are going to get it. But unfortunately, this 2 we are going to get in the single quotes. That means it is string. Substring output is string. The string I want to convert into integer, I want to convert it. The string I want to convert into integer, I want to convert it. To do that one, I will be using the function called as int function. That will convert string into integer. Once it is did, I'm also doing here something addition I am doing, something we are doing here, addition we are trying to do it. The addition is how many characters we are adding? One. Then 2 plus 1 becomes what? 2 plus 1 becomes what?
3.
3. Now once we got the 3, next is something I am doing here, range function I am using it, something I am trying to do in the range function. What this range function is going to do? Let's try to learn about range function again. Go to this document and try to control F, then go to the range function and read about it. Okay, here we have the range function. How many parameters it accepting here? 2 parameters. Both are required. And suppose if we given here range is 1 comma 4, then it is giving here 1, 2, 3, 4. If you really understand this example, then if I try to write here, range of what we got in previously, I'm giving 0. Range is starts from the 0 I'm giving. Previously, what is the output we got it? 3 we got it. Now tell me what is the outcome we are going to get it. From starts from the 0, give me 3 letters. That means what? 0, comma, 1, comma, 2. How many things it generated?
3.
3. Starts from the 0 and generate 3 items. 3 items it is generated. That's how this is going to work. Wow, beautiful. That means overall, if you go and try to copy this one and paste into here, paste into this box, and maybe these nodes whenever I'm preparing it, previous objects names and now whatever objects names are not same. That's what this message is problem. Let's try to change this name. What is the name it is? Get error message is the input, right? So pass over the get error message. Now get error message. The output of variable get error message cannot be referenced since it is not a variable of the current pipeline. Why it is not a variable of the current pipeline? Oh, V is there in print. Okay. V, then what is this? V also kept. Okay. Now you can able to see it, right? It is working. Now it is working. Now go and try to click on OK and observe till here what is happening. Click on here, save and run, what you are getting it. Ideally, we should get now 0, comma, 1, comma, 2, we are going to get it. 0, comma, 1, comma, 2, we are going to get it. I am running out of time. I know it. You are okay, right? Another 5 or 10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is in progress. It's running. And you can notice. Okay, now you can notice this for loop is inactive, so it's not running. Now observe the error message. Error message is already we observed so many times. We observed this is not going to change it. Now go to the get error message. What is the outcome of this one? We got here 0, comma 2. What is the this one? If you go and try to observe, it's going to generate an array of indexes 0, 1, 2. Wow, beautiful. Now our job is done. Go and try to connect this one to the previously prepared object, this object, and make this as active. I'm trying to make this as active. Then go and try to change the variable input. I'm trying to change the variable input as whatever variable is available here, that one I'm changing it. Now go to the variables, my variable is now try to use this variable, right? Get list of index numbers. This one I'm trying to use it. Click on OK. That's it. That's it. We are calculating here list of indexes we are calculating and we are passing here. Then go and see internally the code also for properly available or not. Source we are reading based on the index we have to read it. If you're not reading index based, we have to set this as a index based, we have to set it. Now go and try to select this as dynamically and item. Now based on the index, we are trying to read it here. Then destination for better understanding purpose, I'm creating a separate table. I'm creating, for example, let me give this name as EMP 2024, sorry 2025, then 04 12 1 also I'm giving it. Just create it. Just create it. Then I think we are good. Let's go and try to run this one now. Let's try to run this one now. Click on run, click on save and run. Then, okay. Actually, this parameter is not required now, right? This parameter is statically whatever you give, it's not required. Okay, that we are not, even it is there also, we are not going to use it basically. It is not going to disturb your pipeline. It is there, but we are not using it. That is extra line of code kind of thing. Okay, now you can notice this is failed, it is expected. Now this is going to give the failure message. It is going to give it. That's what we want it. Second, it is going to process. We are going to get here 0.22. We are going to get it. Third, we are going to see here index. We are going to see 0, 1, 2. Then how many times it is going to run? 3 times. It is going to loop it. We'll get the 3 records. We are going to get it. 3 times it is going to loop it. We are going to get the 3 records. We are going to get it. So first time already it succeeded. Second time is in progress. Third time it will be running in the shortly. Okay. Second time also succeeded. Third time it is running. Meanwhile, go back to our Lakehouse. We are going to the Lakehouse and try to observe the tables. Let's click on here refresh. We got here one table. We are going to get it 0504. Yeah, this is undefined. This has to totally completed. Then only that will commit the picture. Yeah, now it looks like totally it is completed. We got this table. Let us observe here. All three are records are available or not. Okay, it's saying as run succeeded, and this now we are going to get the data here. Always you are going to get the notifications, are going to get it whichever window you are available, doesn't matter. This bell icon, if you click it, then you come to know what is happening. Now all our records we got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I will do is, I'll go back. I'll go back to my Excel. Then I'm trying to insert one more sheet. This name I am trying to put it as, okay, Las Vegas, I am putting it. Las Vegas, I am putting it, LV. Then I am trying to write here, okay, same data I will copy from here, e-name to salary, I'll copy from here. Then I'll put here, then I'm changing this as instead of RAM, I'm putting as RAM4 and his salary is 4,000, I'm putting it. Let me save it. I saved it, then I'm closing it. This file, whatever changed file is available, this file I'm trying to push over there. To do that one, go to your Lakehouse. Go to your Lakehouse. In the Lakehouse raw data, here I want to upload it. Here I want to upload it. Go and try to upload here. So go to get data, upload the files. So we are browsing here. Then we are going to the lab data from the cloud data engineering lab data. Just now we modified the file. This is the modified. You can see the timestamp also 8:39. That means just now it is modified. Then upload it. And it's going to throw the error. Why? Because already same name we have the file, right? It's not throwing. Ideally it has to throw. Why it is not throwing? Ideally, yeah, it is throwing. What happened to below there? Maybe name is different slightly. Okay, if it's throwing error, you need to enable this one option and click on here upload. That's what I want to tell. If it's not throwing, well and good. If it's throwing error, we need to enable this and we have to upload it. That's what we have to do. Inside this one now, 4 sheets are available. Let us go and try to run this one now. What will happen? If I run the pipeline, what will happen? I'm going to the pipeline. Now I'm trying to click on here run. We are going to get the error message. How we are going to get the error message now? 0.2 or 0.3. How we
3.
are going to get the error message? 0.3 we are going to get the error message because now I have here max index number is 3 actually. Now max index number is 3 in my sheet. That's what we are going to get here error message as. What happened? 0.2 only we got it. It is referring what? I'm referring raw data, load multiple sheets of Excel.xlsx, okay. Load multiple sheets of Excel.xlsx, okay. Let me refresh once. Previously, when I am uploading also, it is not throwing any error. Okay, this is properly available. 5:26 p.m. Okay. I want to see what we have inside this. Let us go and try to observe once again the pipeline. Oh, this pipeline, right? This is what, this is different. This is okay, this one, okay. Now this one, we go here index. Let us verify how many things are available. Only 3 it is reflecting. Why? Why it is showing like that? Load multiple sheets of Excel we given properly. Only one is available. Refresh. From where it is picking only 3.
Probably it is not overwritten, sir.
Okay, is it the case? Let me go back and verify once again. Inside this one we have 3 first, or yeah, 4 are there. This file only I am trying to upload it. Let me go here and try to select once again. I don't want to take any risk. Let me delete this. Whatever available, I am deleting it. Okay, length fresh copy. I want to upload it. Let me go here, upload the files, browse. Then I am going to the cloud data engineering, then lab data, then load multiple sheets, then upload. Then that should come here. Refresh. Okay, now I got it. Now I got it. What is the problem? There is a it is uploading here. You understand? Not at the level of raw data level. My aim is to put in the raw data, right? But it's outside is up putting it. That is the problem. Let me push this one. I am pushing this one inside the raw data folder. So to push into the raw data folder, just drag it. Now raw data. Yeah, this time it should go and try to, if I go and try to refresh here, if I try to refresh it, refresh, then you should see now 4 here first. Yeah, we are able to see the LV. Now it should work. I'm giving a wrong number. Let's say 4 nines or whatever it is I am giving here. Some wrong number I given. Then if I try to validate it, then try to run it. I file whenever I upload it, it's not uploading the raw data folder. Outside the raw data folder, it is uploading. There's reason. There is reason. I'm not seeing the latest file here. You got my problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you go and try to observe here. This time we should see, wow, beautiful. Sheet index is looking for 4 nines, is out of range of 0.3. That's what we are expecting. And this variable is capturing the 0.3. And this index is going to generate now 0, 1, 2, 3. That is expected. So this is going to run now. How many times it is going to run for loop? 3 times or 4 times?
Four
4
times.
times.
4 times. So you are going to get here 4 times copy data activity. You are going to get it. 4 times copy data activity. You are going to get it. That's it. That's what I want to cover today. You try to follow the this video as well as this material so that you're able to understand much better. Okay, we're updating all the materials. We're updating from the ADF channel to Fabric version. I am updating it. Okay, suppose some reason one chapter, any chapter, if I did not updated, it's okay. There is no too much difference from the ADF to Microsoft Fabric ADF. You got my point? Whatever ADF material is available, that ADF material only you can use it for the Fabric also. Same exercise I am going to create it again. Only slight navigation here and there it is going to change it. As you have the videos also available with you, the slight navigation is not going to disturb you. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, I have a quick question, sir. I'm so sorry. I know we are exceeded, but
Mhm.
sir, I have noticed that we have
Let me
Outlook.
stop the recording.
Yeah, yeah, please, sir.